Hello everyone, this is Huawei Watch 6, a new model that combines the 6 Pro and the standard version. The one I'm holding is the 6 Pro in Obsidian Black. The overall feel is even more premium and upscale than the previous generation 5's Obsidian Black. As for functionality, all models come standard with Huawei's instant perception system. Powered by multiple sensors and Huawei's A-grade big data algorithms, the health monitoring and exercise mode algorithms and data are even more accurate. Take a look at the texture. And with the various exercise mode options, whether you're running, it provides a kilometer by kilometer report, including your heart rate and exercise trajectory. It also includes heart rate, blood oxygen, and respiratory health information. It also supports WeChat, phone calls, Alipay, and a barometer, making it a very rich feature set. The entire design is made of Llama spherical glass, which approaches the hardness of diamond. The titanium frame also comes in a variety of color options. For example, the slate green composite woven strap adds a youthful and novel look, perfect for pairing with any outfit. We also offer an Arden Black standard version for a more calm and understated look, complementing your overall spirit and a refined look. The display is 1.47-inch AMOLED screen with a 466 by 466 pixel resolution. It features a new X-tap sensor setup on the right side of the case, similar to the Watch 5 series. GT6 Pro offer up to 21 days of battery life on a single charge. Notable features include GPS, NFC, a built-in microphone and speaker, and over 100 sports modes. It also includes new enhancements for cyclists and runners. Its measure is 45.6 by 45.6 by 11.2 millimeters and weighs 51 grams, the same weight as the 46 millimeter standard version. The Watch GT6 Pro was to be priced around €379 in Europe. It is offered with black, brown, and silver straps. This Watch GT6 is the 46mm black model. The standard GT6 has a geometric octagonal dial with a rotating crown. The 41mm version is also available in new colors including purple and features a thinner, slimmer dial. Huawei's HarmonyOS 6.0. It's packed with cutting-edge technology and I think it looks much better than the 5 series, giving it a more premium feel. Regarding functionality, it can now detect 12 emotions compared to the previous model which only detected 3. Furthermore, both the user experience and appearance have been significantly upgraded. As for the price, while we haven't yet released the exact price, we estimate it will be the same as the 5th generation. The watch includes dual-band 5-system GNSS positioning for improved location tracking, particularly for outdoor activities like running and cycling. High-end options such as sapphire glass and stainless steel are available on the Pro version. Strap colors vary by model, with the 41mm Watch GT6 available in white, purple, and gold. The 46mm GT6 comes in black, brown, and green, while the GT6 Pro is offered with black, brown, and silver straps. The watch series features updated water endurance.